Hi, Zweli from LuxLiv Property Group. Welcome to Gauteng's premier property showcase, where luxury meets practicality. These exclusive listings feature properties crafted to meet diverse tastes and lifestyles, from contemporary opulence to serene family havens. I will be showcasing five exceptional properties offering unparalleled value and a glimpse into your dream. Each property is a masterpiece, offering something unique and tailored to fit your lifestyle. So sit back, relax, and imagine yourself living in one of these stunning homes. Coming in at number five, luxurious five-bedroom home in Bryanston. Picture yourself in this opulent haven where every corner exudes excellence. This architectural masterpiece boasts five expansive ensuite bedrooms designed for ultimate relaxation. The main suite is a dream, featuring his and hers walk-in closets and a spa-like bathroom with double showers and a freestanding bathtub. Perfect for unwinding after a long day. This home is truly an entertainer's paradise. The open plan design flows seamlessly from sophisticated living areas to a magnificent outdoor space with a sparkling pool. Imagine hosting friends and family in style with ample room to create memories. Whether it's quiet evenings by the fireplace or a lively gathering under the stars, this home has it all. Coming in at number four, contemporary five-bedroom residence in Blue Valley Golf Estate. Step into a three-story marvel where modern luxury meets functional living. As you enter through the grand double-volume foyer, you're greeted by breathtaking architectural design. The floating staircase and floor-to-ceiling glass panels set the tone for what lies ahead. This home is a symphony of social and private spaces, perfect for both entertaining and everyday living. With five ensuite bathrooms, each thoughtfully positioned for privacy and a cozy pajama lounge, this residence is ideal for multi generational families. The outdoor space is equally impressive, featuring a pool and an entertainment deck. Imagine waking up to serene views and spending your days surrounded by elegance and tranquility. Coming in at number three, an elegant five-bedroom mansion in the Blue Valley Golf Estate. This property is the epitome of redefined living, nestled in a secure and exclusive golf estate. Each of the five ensuite bedrooms is a sanctuary offering unparalleled comfort and style. The open plan kitchen ensures seamless flow from the state of the art kitchen to the living and dining areas, creating a harmonious living experience. But what truly sets this home apart is its location. Surrounded by lush private garden views, you're immersed in nature without compromising on luxury. Whether you're enjoying a morning coffee on the patio or hosting a sunset soiree, this home is your private retreat from the world. And coming in at number two, modern double story four-bedroom home in Ferndale. If you're looking for a home that balances modern elegance with cozy charm, this is it. This double story beauty offers four ensuite bedrooms, ensuring every family member has their own private sanctuary. The heart of the home is the open pan kitchen, boasting sleek finishes and premium countertops that will inspire your inner chef. The living area are spacious and light filled, perfect for family gatherings or quiet evenings in. Picture yourself unwinding in the inviting lounge or hosting friends in the dedicated dining space. With a design that emphasizes both in style and comfort, this home is a haven for families seeking a life of ease and sophistication. Coming in at number one, an exceptional four-bedroom family home in Mooicliffe Ridge. This charming home is the perfect blend of style, security, and lifestyle convenience. From the moment you step inside, you're welcomed by an ambience of warmth and sophistication. The open concept layout allows for seamless flow between the living, dining, and kitchen areas, creating a space that feels expansive and intimate. Each of the 4 bedrooms is thoughtfully designed to maximize comfort with large windows that let in an abundance of natural light. The main suite is a retreat within a retreat, featuring a private ensuite bathroom and serene views of the garden. This home is perfect for growing family or an investor looking to make a smart choice. So, there you have it. 5 incredible homes, each with its own unique charm and character. Whether you're drawn to the grandeur of Bryanston Mansions or the family friendly comfort of Moycliff Ridge, there's a home here that's perfect for you. So, which one will you choose to call your own? Let's make your dream home a reality today. Each of these homes encapsulates a lifestyle comfort and elegance, making Gauteng a beacon for exceptional living. Your dream property awaits. Immerse yourself in these breathtaking spaces and make the move to unparalleled luxury. Follow us at LuxLiv Property Group. Love and light. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.